Welcome to Architech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, let's look at how we can create an end-to-end grammar correction system using Gramformer. Now, Gramformer is created by Prithviraj Damodharan. Gramformer is a framework for detecting, highlighting and correcting grammatical errors on natural language text. Okay. So, human and machine generated text often suffer from grammatical or typographical errors. So, it could be spelling, punctuation, grammatical or word choice errors, right? So, Gramformer is a library which has three interfaces to detect, highlight and correct grammar errors. Okay. So, what is the use case of Gramformer? It is for post-processing of machine-generated text. Now, machine-generated text can come from different sources. It could be from text summarization. It could be from machine translation. It could be speech-to-text output. It could be image captioning output, right? Or a paraphrase generation output, right? This grammar correction can also be useful in systems which make use of human-in-the-loop text, like your chatbots and conversational systems. Okay, it could be also assisted writing for humans. Basically, you have this app Grammarly, right, which helps you, which is a AI assistant to help you write in a proper way, with proper grammar. So this tool also could be used like that, right? So let's look at the demo of Gramformer, and I will also explain how you can actually run a fast API, basically a REST API on Google Colab, and how you can access the API in your programs or from a API testing tool, and how you can create your grammar correction service. Okay, so let's go to the demo of Gramformer. So first we need to install Gramformer based on the instructions which is present over here. So installation is simple, right? And currently the corrector is available over here. There is an example code over here for the corrector. The rest of the things are in the roadmap, like your corrector with an estimator, which estimates how correct, like the choices of the grammar correction and the top candidates to filter on the top end candidates, right? Also an highlighter to highlight, what are the grammatical mistakes. So these things are yet to come over here. It is in the roadmap over here, right? So now let's look at, we have installed over here Gramformer. Now we need to import the Gramformer model, set a seed for reproducible results. Okay. Then we say that Gramformer, we instantiate an object of the Gramformer where we want the corrector. Okay. So the models is equal to 2 is your corrector, and these are certain input sentences which are grammatically wrong. Okay. And then it is as simple as calling the correct method of this Gramformer model and pass your influent sentence or the grammatically wrong sentence, and you get the corrected sentence as output. Now let's look at the results of this. So when I do this, it downloads all these models which is required for performing this grammar correction. So it downloads the model, and then it loads the model, and here are the examples. So my iPhone not working, obviously grammatically incorrect. Correction is my iPhone is not working. Okay, so here is a text which looks like your message text, CUTMRW. Okay, it expands it as see you tomorrow. So this is like a spell correction. So here is another one. I don't know how is the weather like tomorrow. Okay, I don't know. The corrected sentence is I don't know how the weather will be like tomorrow. Okay, another example, why price so high? Why is the price so high? So okay, another input, I done homework. I have done my homework, right? Another input, car not started. Car has not started, right? So here is another sentence which might come in your chatbots, like what bank balance, account not accessible. So probably what is my bank balance? Account is not accessible. So it corrects as the bank balance, account is not accessible. So here, because you have two intents, it is not doing its job. It was not intended to do this. Okay, I still have these examples over here. So it rained today. It's raining today, right? He is going to school. I staying home. He is going to school while I am staying at home. So this is perfect. Bengaluru, beautiful city full of gardens. Bengaluru is a beautiful city with gardens. India's huge population. India's huge population. We enjoy horror movies, right? So we enjoys horror movies, so it becomes we enjoy horror movies. So it is able to actually correct the grammar, and it is able to, you know, do spell correction as well, or you know, like for example over here, TMRW is tomorrow, DUNNO dunno is don't know. So it is able to do this in a very nice manner. So here you see that it has actually corrected the grammar with respect to either spell check or punctuation, right? Now let's see how we can deploy this using FastAPI, okay, and on a Google Colab, right? So for that you need to install these libraries, FastAPI, Nest Async, and PyNgrok, right? So once you install these libraries, here you are creating a simple FastAPI app, okay, which takes as an input as just a string, right? And here is your post method, which is correct text, right? In the method, what I do is that I just take the user input, basically the user request, I take the text string and I pass it to our GramFarmer object which was created, okay. So once I run this this thing, you have your FastAPI created, but you know, you need to run this on this particular Colab, right? So Colab is nothing but it runs on a VM. So you need to run this server basically, right? For that, what you do is that you use this ngrok tunnel, and it is as simple as this. It creates a public URL, right? And once you do this, it runs this app. This UVcorn actually runs this app. So now you have your REST API running, okay? And this is the public URL to access the REST API, okay? So let's go to a REST API testing tool, and what we do over there is that this is a post request, okay, and my method is correct text, that is the endpoint, right? So this is your endpoint, right? To that endpoint I am passing my text, okay. So if I pass this text and I have to actually run the server over here, which I have started running it. So once I do this and I then say, okay, he is going to school, let me remove this, and let's send this text and see what comes as an output, okay. So here you see the output which has come back from the server, right? He is going to school, I am staying home, okay. I staying home becomes I am staying home. Let's try another example over here. Let's pass another request. So it's like it rained today, okay. It's grammatically incorrect, right? Let's see what comes as an output. So it's rained today, it's rained today, okay, or it rained today also would have been okay. So it's rained today. So this is the corrected text. So now you have a end-to-end system to actually do, you know, grammar correction, right? So in this way, actually with ngrok you can actually run a server on your Google Colab, and you can expose your REST API. Now you can bring in additional authentication and other things which you do with your REST APIs. So this is an example of an end-to-end you know, spell correction or grammar correction service using a GramFarmer library. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you are new here and you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. Bye for now.